Busy day? Then you should try this Korean rice bowl, Bibimbap. It's incredibly easy to make and perfect for a lunchbox. In Korean homes, we often make bibimbap with leftover ingredients. bulgogi, mushrooms, eggplant, spinach, use anything you like. It's simple, yet surprisingly delicious. Today, I'm using cucumber, onion, carrot, and pork. Lightly pickle the cucumber with salt and vinegar. Stir-fry the pork and vegetables with garlic, salt, and pepper. Fry an egg and you're almost done. Add rice, vegetables, gochujang, and the pork, the fried egg, sesame seeds, your favorite dressing, and a drizzle of sesame oil. That's it. Today, I used store-bought Korean soy-based dressing, but almost any dressing works. I even packed some for my daughter's lunchbox. So easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe.